Hello friends, welcome to the video. Happy Friday. So today's tasty treat Friday. I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite kale chips. Hey guys, okay, so you're going to need 3 ingredients to make these kale chips. Kale, I like to buy it already separated into pieces. You can buy it and chop it up yourself if you want to. I buy organic kale in a bag from Publix. You're going to need your favorite oil. You can use coconut oil, avocado oil. I'm using olive oil. And then you're going to use your favorite seasoning. In the past, I've done just salt and pepper, but I have recently discovered Flavor God seasonings. And so everything spicy is my go-to. So let's make the kale chips. All right, you're gonna grab a big handful. I grab what would be considered a cup because I've measured it out before. Don't mind the leftover pancakes from this morning breakfast. Someone didn't eat them. So I put it in a bowl. And then what we do is we're gonna measure out a teaspoon of olive oil and we're gonna massage it into our kale. I have tried that step, just drizzling the olive oil, and what ends up happening is some pieces are totally covered with the olive oil and some pieces are not. And so it's just better to massage it into the kale. And you have to wash your hands because your hands are covered in oil after. And then the next step is just taking your favorite seasoning. It can be salt and pepper. It could be the everything spicy from Flavor God. And I just sprinkle it over and then I will just mix it up and I'll do it again. All right, so now I have spread it out evenly, trying not to overlap any of the pieces, and then let's put it in for 5 minutes. All right, you heat up your air fryer for 250 for 5 minutes. Okay, everyone's air fryer is going to be different, but let me take mine out and show you. You want it to be crispy, so let me try it. Yeah, it's got a crunch to it. If they are soggy, like these are soggy right here, they need to be a little bit more. I'm actually gonna put the whole thing in for 2 more minutes, just so it's perfect. Okay, let's see what 2 minutes did. Yep, this looks better, I can already tell. You want them to like shrink way down. So you saw how they were before, they were a little bit bigger, but we wanna check a big piece because that's the goal. That was hot. Crispy. Okay, here we go. That's good. If you don't like kale, if you don't like greens, try kale chips. They don't taste like kale. It doesn't taste like lettuce. It tastes like chip. And if you use the seasoning you love, then it'll make it taste even better. I have a discount code, I think, for it. I'll put it down below. If you order from them, they'll give you one too. So it's not like they handed me something special, but I just want to give a discount if I can for you guys. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.